Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video of our channel. Today in this video, I'll show you how to put Google Analytics code on website. So without wasting any more time, let's start our today's video. Adding the Google Analytics tracking code to your website is a straightforward process. Here's how you can do it. First of all, sign into your Google Analytics. Create a property. If you have not already, create a property for your website in the admin section. Then create a property. Get tracking code. In the admin section, under the property you created, click on tracking info, then tracking code. Copy the global site tag code provided. Add code to your website. Paste the tracking code into the head section of every page on your website. If you use a CMS like WordPress, you can add the code using a plugin or directly in the theme settings. So that's it guys, hope you like this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Till then, bye bye.